I'm going to show you how to use Google Sky today. The first thing you'll do is open the Google Earth program. Then if you look at the toolbar along the top, there is an orange planet on a button. We click that once, and from the toolbar that drops down, we choose Sky. From the menu that drops down, we choose Sky. When you first get into Sky, what you'll notice are a whole bunch of constellations. You can move and manipulate this, zoom in and zoom out just like you could inside Google Earth. However, today we're not looking at constellations. So if we go over to the layers area on the lower left-hand side and expand it by clicking the plus sign, we can see that backyard astronomy is checked. We're going to uncheck that box because we're not looking at the astronomy section, and then we are going to check the box that says Welcome to Sky. You'll notice when I actually get this box checked, it starts automatically navigating me to a galaxy where I'm going to start my Google Sky experience. Okay. While you're playing in Google Sky, you'll notice these types of icons that have a little yellow center and kind of a blue and white ring around them. This is where you can click to read more about whatever object you're looking at. So I've got a brief set of information here, and if I click on the link below it, of course it'll take me to a website where I can read a lot more about the Messier 101 galaxy. So now I want to show you how to navigate around in Google Sky. You don't have a specific path that you're going to be looking for. You're just going to get in and explore. So if we look down at the bottom, you'll see that there are 4 different types of things I can look at in Google Sky. I can look at galaxies, stars, other interesting places, and star clusters. So when you first get in, you may see these exact same choices, you may not, but as you choose different options, you're going to end up on a different adventure than your classmates are on while exploring Google Sky. So I will choose the Eta Carinae Nebula, and it will automatically move me within the universe to this particular nebula. And you'll notice the same icon here with the little yellow center and the white and blue ring. I can click on that to read a brief information about this particular nebula, or I can click on the link which will take me to a website to explore more. But what I really want to point out is this very interesting looking rectangle. Obviously these rectangles don't occur naturally in space. So what this is all of the surrounding area is an image that has been taken with the Hubble telescope. This rectangle represents a high-definition image that has been taken with the Hubble telescope. They obviously can't take high-definition images of the entire universe, but they can take high-definition images of interesting places. So what's cool about this is now I can zoom in and really look at this nebula by moving my mouse around. I can zoom in pretty far and get a good look at how the Eta Carinae Nebula looks. And then when I'm ready to move on, I simply zoom back out, find my icon, click it once, and then I pick a new place to go. So maybe the next place I want to go is a star cluster, which I'm going to go to the Global Cluster in Hercules. I let it navigate me there, and same thing here. I can click on my icon to read more about it, or to find the next place that I want to go. This one in particular does not have a high-res image on it, but that's pretty much how you're going to navigate in Google Sky and how you're going to be a space explorer.